Is porcelain good for countertops? Dear friends, porcelain countertops are becoming increasingly popular in modern kitchens, and for good reason. They offer a sleek, contemporary look while delivering excellent performance in everyday use. But is porcelain really a good choice for your countertops? Let's find out. One of the biggest advantages of porcelain is its durability. It is highly resistant to scratches, heat, and stains, making it ideal for busy kitchens. You can place hot pans directly on the surface without worrying about damage, which is a huge plus for home cooks. Another great benefit is its non-porous nature. Porcelain does not absorb liquids, so it resists bacteria and is very easy to clean. Unlike natural stones, it doesn't require sealing, which means lower maintenance over time. Porcelain is also available in a wide range of designs. It can mimic natural materials like marble, granite, or wood, giving you a premium look at a relatively affordable price. Plus, the color and pattern don't fade easily. However, there are a few downsides. Porcelain slabs can be brittle during installation, so professional handling is essential. Also, edges may chip if subjected to heavy impact. Overall, porcelain is an excellent choice for countertops if you want durability, style, and low maintenance. It's a smart investment for modern homes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.